Una welcome to my channel. My name is Chibike. For this channel, we dey teach people how to make soap, bar soap, liquid soap, detergent, liquid detergent. Anything wey they call home cleaning agent, we dey do am for this channel. So if na your first time of visiting this channel, make sure say you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post, you go be among the first people to see the video. Everybody knows say to make bar soap for Naija now, e dey well. So for this one now, what I make, I use chicken money do am. Then I wan teach you how you go fit take use chicken money do this same soap for your own house. As you dey see, this soap dey clean hand well and e dey foam proper. The ingredients wey we use make this soap na: 1. Na palm oil. Palm oil wey you dey use cook for your house. You go bleach am, put am for fire. E go change color like groundnut oil or palm kernel oil. You go put am down, allow am make e cool. That one na 600 ml. Na here I use. Then water, normal water wey you dey use for your house. For the water, I use 900 ml. That 900 ml, no be say na the normal water I suppose use do the soap, but because I wan make the soap plenty, that's why I use high water. Normal I no suppose use that kind of water because e go make the soap no go dry quick. E go take like 3 to 4 days before e go dry. But if I use the normal amount of water wey I suppose use, within 24 hours, the soap go dry normal. Then caustic soda, na 88 grams na how I use. Soda ash, na 86 grams I use. Sulfonic acid, na 125 grams I use. And why I use sulfonic acid for this production be say, na palm oil we dey use. And palm oil no dey allow soap make e foam well. So we dey use this sulfonic acid support am so that thing go fit foam well. Palm oil no be like palm kernel oil because palm kernel oil dey foam well. And e no dey last like palm kernel oil. Soap wey you use palm kernel oil do go foam well, but e no dey tey finish. But the one we use palm oil do, e no dey foam well. And e dey tey before e go finish. And e no dey break anyhow. And palm kernel oil don dey for market. So that's why I no use am. That's why I use this palm oil. In fact, palm oil good for making soap. If you use palm oil make soap, you go like am because e go tey well before e go finish. Even though when e remain small, that you know that soap dey flat. Even though when e remain like that, e no go break. E go still dey use am dey go. Another ingredient wey we dey use na calcium. They dey call am calcium carbonate. Na im dey make the soap strong. Dey more stronger. That one na 154 grams na im we use. Another ingredient wey we get here na glycerin, 25 ml. That one na im dey prevent hand make e no dey peel when you dey wash clothes. So now this video wan get interesting. Anything wey you dey do, make you drop am. Focus on this video. Or if you dey do something, pause am. Then after you finish, you come back and watch this video. So I don already mix my caustic soda and set it aside for it to cool down. Then it's time to add 86 grams of soda ash into 450 grams of water. Stir properly and make sure the soda ash dissolves properly. Soda ash dey take time before e go dissolve inside water. You go need to stir am for very long time, make it for dissolve properly, so that when you dey use, after stirring, you set aside. Soda ash na cleaning agent like caustic soda, so you fit choose to add am for your soap, or if you no add am, because na the same thing with caustic soda. So our caustic soda don cool down. Make we add calcium carbonate to it and stir properly. Stir and make sure all particles dissolve properly. If you don watch this video to this extent, please like, share and comment. You can ask any question you want to ask and I will answer you. So add the caustic soda solution into the 600 ml of palm oil and stir properly. Stir until it saponifies. Stir properly and add soda ash. Add glycerin and stir properly. Add sulfonic acid and stir. Stir properly and fast so that the sulfonic acid will not create lumps in the soap.
Stir faster and make sure everything mixes together before adding it into the mold. Add into the mold and allow it to dry before molding it. So this is after 3 days and our soap have hardened. So after cutting it, we'll still leave it for some days for it to properly dry. You can cut it into any size that you want so that it will be easy for you to use. Or you can also get a mold, or you can also get a soap cutter that you use to cut the soaps into sizes. But I don't have a soap cutter, that's why I'm using a knife to cut the soap. We got 12 batch of soap from this production, so I'm about to test it now. You can see how the soap is foaming, and the soap will foam more when it dries. It has not dried now. In 3 to 4 days the soap will foam more. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification